Meaning of heaping.
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 Heaping. Heaping is a term used to describe an abundant or excessive amount of something. It refers to the act of piling or stacking items in a heap, creating a large and often unorganized mass. The result of heaping can vary depending on the context in which it is used. In a positive sense, heaping can suggest abundance and generosity, such as heaping plates of food at a feast. However, in a negative sense, heaping can suggest wastefulness or clutter, as with a heaping pile of garbage. Overall, heaping connotes an overwhelming amount of something that is difficult to manage or control.